Now I have done the machining. What you see is that part of the headlight holder, RH and LH, that comes in the T-stem we could not use as it is. So I have made some changes for this, and this is the existing fork. So now you have seen that I have machined it here. This is also the basic function of our ABS modifications. There are few reasons why I am explaining this to you. I have a machine shop and all special tools in my workshop. Great if you have to. Otherwise, just watch these lessons and you can do it in your familiar machine shop. Always be very clear and careful while operating the machine. Otherwise, we all know in here done will be wasted. Please check the size before fitting these. The trick is to machine both sides as PCD for the headlight is correct. Now I have finished the RH side. The LH side needs to reduce material a bit. The pipe thing, so you can't able to make a chamber for this machine. So you make a chamber like this with the help of this tool only. Then both sides. It's already machined. So be careful before the machining. You have to take the chamber. It's a pipe thing. It's a big problem. And we have to tightening the chain. It's merged. So it's very difficult to make a cut because it's unevenly constructed. So it's a big problem. So you make a mandrel like this. Inside you have to set, then you have to tight. It's a very useful thing. It's the basic thing of my ABS modification. And now, finished work on the ABS custom part today, which is fork headlight holder. And this is also the custom part for the ABS modification, the fork study. Fix this. This is the rubber. This is the PVC thing. Then you have to fix this. I want to talk to you about installing new type of steering lock on a Thunderbird motorcycle. When it comes to engineering matters, sometimes even the smallest things can be a challenge. In this case, we need to cut and shape a large piece of material to fit the new steering lock precisely in place. And not only that, but we also need to make sure that the end result is both functionally and aesthetically. To achieve this, we have to put in the extra effort and the expense to ensure that our work is of the highest quality. It may take some time and patience, but it's essential if we want to create a design that both functional and visually appealing. In my own experience, I faced similar challenges when it comes to engineering work. But by focusing on the end goal and putting in the extra effort, I was able to create a design that met my standards.